Iterate a list with indexes in Python. I could swear I've seen the function, or method, that takes a list, like this, 3, 7, 19, and makes it into iterable list of tuples, like so, 0, 3, 1, 7, 2, 19, to use it instead of. But I can't remember the name and Googling iterate list gets nothing.
Yep, that would be the enumerate function. Or more to the point, you need to do.
Here's another using the zip function.
Here is a solution using map function. And a solution using list comprehensions.
Documentation presents this assurance.